Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to discuss the battery equivalent of the AG0 watch battery. You can find it online under different names, different equivalents of different abbreviations, but they are all going to refer to the exact same watch battery. As you can see right here, we have AG0 and also SR521F. I'm going to also leave a link in the description below to this exact watch battery type so that you can grab it. And I'm going to insert a picture where you can actually see the most common abbreviations when it comes to this watch battery. You can also find it under 379 or 179. So this is very important when you are searching for them online. Also guys, as you can see here on the table, I have a bunch of watch battery types. I'm going to make separate videos with each and one of them in order for you to know the exact watch battery type and their battery equivalents when you are looking for them online. So if that sounds interesting to you guys, make sure to like the video, subscribe to this YouTube channel because I post a lot of videos about watch tutorials, vintage watches, watch unboxing videos and watch reviews. So make sure to stick around and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.